Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Zoho Books subscription step by step. Whether you want to stop automatic renewals, switch to another plan, or simply no longer need the service, this guide will walk you through the exact settings you need to access. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to locate your subscription controls, review your billing details, and properly manage your Zoho subscription without confusion. To begin, open your browser and sign into your Zoho Books account using your email and password. Once you log in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard, where all your organization data and financial tools are managed. Now, look toward the top or bottom corner of your dashboard for the Settings icon, which is usually displayed as a gear symbol. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Inside the Settings area, navigate to Organization Settings. This section contains important administrative controls related to your company profile, billing information, taxes, and subscriptions. Once you're inside the Organization Settings section, look for the option labeled Manage Subscription. This is where Zoho stores all your billing and plan-related controls. Go ahead and click on it, then give the page a few moments to fully load. You'll now be taken to the subscription management area where you can view your current Zoho plan, billing cycle, renewal date, payment details, and any active add-ons connected to your account. This section is where all subscription-related changes are handled. Next, click on your current Zoho Books plan to open more details. Depending on your account type and region, you may see options for upgrading, downgrading, or canceling your subscription. Before canceling, it's a good idea to review your renewal date and billing terms carefully. Some subscriptions remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, while others may stop immediately after cancellation, depending on the policy attached to your region or payment plan. If your subscription includes extra users, storage, or additional features, those details may also appear here. You may want to save invoices or back up important financial data before proceeding, especially if you plan to stop using the service completely. When you're ready, click on the cancellation option and follow the prompts shown on the screen. Zoho may ask for feedback or cancellation reason before finalizing the request. If anything seems unclear during the process, such as questions about refunds, billing periods, or account access after cancellation, you can use the Contact Us option available within the subscription section to reach Zoho support directly. You may also see a Talk to Sales option. This can be useful if you're considering switching to a lower cost plan instead of fully canceling your subscription. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage and cancel your Zoho Books subscription step by step. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you out today. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials like this.